Tonight we had the 31st annual Engineers Week banquet of the Silicon Valley Engineering Council and Hall of Fame. We had the honor of hosting Dr. Stephen Chu, former Secretary of Energy and Nobel laureate in physics and professor at Stanford University. He talked about climate change and what we can do as engineers to fight climate change in the future. We also had the pleasure of hosting two new inductees to our Hall of Fame, adding to the past 91 Hall of Famers so far to make it 93 over the past 31 years. Dr. Fred Barres and Ajit Minocha are the new inductees to the Hall of Fame. And we are honored to have them added to our prestigious Hall of Fame of SVEC. Also, we presented a few awards. The main one, the first one was Discovery Award to teachers who promote STEM among the students. And we had 4 recipients of Discovery and also 2 recipients of Keeper of the Flame to promote math education and engineering education in high school and local college and universities. Also, we awarded 10 scholarships to local high school students and colleges, and the award was sponsored by SVEC and also our sponsor IEEE Computer Society and IEEE SSCS and our industry sponsors. Several corporations in Silicon Valley. I'd like to acknowledge all our sponsors, the board of SVEC, our committee members to do the selection of the scholarships, and also all the executive committee members to put together and run the banquet program tonight. A big thank you to everyone. Yes, we had the honor of hosting Dr. Stephen Chu, a Nobel laureate and former Secretary of Energy, on climate change. And the theme of the banquet was actually how engineers and humans can fight climate change. So as you can see on the magazine, we have the Earth, and also on the side we have a little, you could say, human or robot. So we'd like to show how engineers, human beings, can fight climate change and how robots and intelligence, artificial intelligence, can help with the climate change crisis that we're seeing today. Also, I'd like to talk about briefly about the new initiatives we try to have in SVEC. We have an active initiative within IEEE and ACM Silicon Valley, and we'd like to invite all other engineering societies to join us within SVEC to have a new initiative for AI to help all engineering disciplines, including mechanical engineers, chemical engineers, civil engineers, and everybody under umbrella of SVEC to join us and get help from AI in various discipline fields. And I'd like to invite everybody to join us, and also corporations in industry and other societies. Thank you very much.